Welcome to Is Atomic Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to Atomic Wallet are included in the description below. Atomic Wallet is a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that combines convenience, versatility, and security for managing digital assets. It supports over 500 cryptocurrencies and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various altcoins, making it a robust option for diverse crypto portfolios. Additionally, it includes built-in features like atomic swaps, staking, and a decentralized exchange, DEX, all within a sleek and user-friendly interface. Atomic Wallet is designed for individuals who prioritize control over their private keys while seeking an all-in-one solution for crypto management. It works on major operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, ensuring accessibility across devices. The wallet encrypts private keys and stores them locally on your device, so you are the sole custodian of your assets. A unique feature is its ability to perform atomic swaps, enabling direct, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges without intermediaries. This is particularly useful for those who value privacy and lower fees. Security is a strong focus of Atomic Wallet, with private key encryption, password protection, and optional biometric authentication on mobile devices. However, as a non-custodial wallet, its safety largely depends on user responsibility. The most critical step is securely backing up your 12-word recovery phrase, as losing it could result in irreversible loss of access to your funds. While Atomic Wallet has experienced positive reception for its security measures, it is not invulnerable. Users should remain cautious about phishing scams, malware, and fake app versions. The wallet also includes staking options for earning passive income on assets like Tezos, Cosmos, and Cardano, making it appealing to investors looking to grow their holdings. The integrated DEX simplifies token swapping directly within the wallet, reducing reliance on external platforms. While the app is feature-rich, its complexity may be overwhelming for absolute beginners. In conclusion, Atomic Wallet is a secure, versatile solution for managing cryptocurrencies, provided users are proactive about security. Its extensive asset support, staking options, and atomic swap capability make it a great choice for intermediate to advanced crypto users. For more information, check out the links in the description and explore Atomic Wallet for yourself.